Hello guys, welcome to episode 2 on how to make a clicker. Today I'm just going to make a simple little reskin of my clicker. So let's make a button. Let's dye this. Let's dye this and make it a little bit white. Boom. So I'm just make a simple little button. Then we're going to copy this, paste here. Turn this, I'm just going to turn it to 33. 33 is like my go-to for a green. Same progress, set this to 58. We're going to set this to 33. Set this to 33 again. So we realize it's not that satisfying. Okay. So first of all, we're going to make it where it turns to custom 1 whenever it clicks. So you can kind of see it. We're also going to set size to 100 right here. Set size to 110 and put it in next to that. Then we're going to get the set size to 100 again, put it here. So I believe, boom, 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 it gets bigger. Now, this kind of looks a little bit boring, as we can tell. So, we're going to add a shimmer effect. I'm going to make it green because my background's white, so. We're going to move it right here, move it right here. And like copy, paste. Paste. You make it whatever you want it to look like, but I'm just going to do it simple. Copy, paste, vertically. Copy, paste, rotate. Now, if everything is centered in the middle, obviously for me it looks horrible, but first we're going to set it to back layer. We're going to hit green flag and then like forever. We're going to send to the back layer. We're going to hit show. And we're going to hit turn 15 degrees that way. 15 degrees if you want to make it go this way. Or 15. This one I have is going to make it go this way. And if you wanted to slow it down, just turn this to like 5 is slower. And like 50 is super fast. I want to set it to 500. 5,000, I mean. But we obviously see a beautiful, beautiful game. But that's it for 2 on how to make a clicker game. So, bye bananas.